What can I do for you?
How much are the potatoes?
I beg your pardon.
Much do the potatoes cost?
40 taka per kg. How many would you like?
2 kilograms will be enough. I also want a chicken, please.
Would you like it whole or cut off?
A whole fryer. Please, I'll cut it off.
Okay, please take it.
Thank you. Good afternoon. How may I help you?
Hi, I'd like to order flowers.
What are they for?
Those are for my wife. Her name is Maria.
What kind of flowers would you like?
I don't know. I don't know too much about flowers. Can you recommend something?
Okay. What's the reason you are sending her flowers?
Today's her birthday, and she told me she wants me to buy her flowers.
Do you know what kind of flowers she likes?
I'm not sure. I know I should know that, but I can't remember right now.
Well, they're for your wife, so I think you should give her roses.
Roses will be fine.
What color?
I think red would be nice.
Do you want to pick them up or should we deliver them?
Can you deliver them, please?
What's the address?
235 Main Street, Banani.
Thank you.
Excuse me.
Hello, sir. May I help you?
Yes. Can I see that shirt on the top shelf, please?
Sure, here it is.
How much does it cost?
$40.
$40. That's too much.
How about this one? It's on sale for only $30.
I don't like that one.
How about the one next to the black gloves? It's very similar to the one you like.
That's nice. How much is it?
$30.
That'll be fine.
Is this color okay? Or would you like a different color?
Yes, that blue one's fine.
Do you need any more of these shirts?
Yes,
How many do you want?
I'll take 2 more. A red one and a white one. It's almost Eid al-Fitr. What are you doing this weekend?
Nothing special, just working. Why do you ask?
Well, I still have not finished my Eid shopping. Do you want to go shopping me this weekend?
I would like to, but I am not sure if I can. Work has been really busy lately. Why don't we go on Friday instead?
Friday's not good. I think the stores will be very crowded, and I have to work.
Okay, and then let's try to go this weekend. I should know if I can go by Friday. Is it okay if I call you then?
Yeah, that's fine.
What's your number?
Okay, I'll talk to you soon.